In this video, I will show you how to assign a static IP address to your Raspberry Pi. You can configure it for both Wi-Fi and Ethernet interfaces. Setting a static IP ensures your Raspberry Pi always uses the same IP address. This makes remote access through SSH or VNC easier and more reliable. So let's get started. First, let's check which interfaces are currently active on the Raspberry Pi. Type IP space A. In the output, you can see the Ethernet 0 interface, which received the IP address ending with 225 from the router using dhcp. You can see the word dynamic here. The same way, you can see the wireless LAN interface. It also received the IP address ending with 125, received from dhcp again. Now we know the interface names and their current IPs. Next, to set the static IP address, we need to edit the dhcpcd configuration file. Type sudo nano /etc/dhcpcd.conf. Once the file opens, scroll down. Here you will see a section labeled as Example Static IP Configuration. Select and copy the configuration. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the file. Paste the copied configuration at the end. Uncomment all the lines. Remove the line containing the IPv6 address since we are not using it. Here the interface is Ethernet 0. Edit the IP address based on your preferred subnet. Here I will use 192.168.1.226 as a static IP. The next line is the default gateway. I'll use my ISP router's IP 192.168.1.254. The next line is for DNS servers. Use your ISP router's IP. I'll leave the Google server address and remove the IPv6 addresses. Now we will configure a static IP address for the wireless LAN 0 interface. Copy the configuration we just edited for Ethernet 0 interface. Paste it directly below the line. Change the interface name from Ethernet 0 to wireless LAN 0. Also change the IP address to any preferred address in your network. Now the editing is complete. We will save this file. Type Ctrl O, enter. Type Ctrl X. Now we need to restart the networking service or reboot the Raspberry Pi to apply the changes. To restart the network service, type sudo systemctl restart dhcpcd. If you prefer to reboot, type sudo reboot. After the reboot, we will verify that the static IP is applied to both the interfaces. Open the terminal and type IP space A. Now you should see only the static IP assigned to your network interface. In the output, we can see the IP address for Ethernet 0 interface as 192.168.1.226. Similarly, under the wireless LAN 0 interface, the IP address is 192.168.1.126. This confirms that the static IP address for both the interfaces has been configured successfully. That's it. Your Raspberry Pi is now ready with a static IP for reliable remote access. You can now connect via SSH or VNC without worrying about the IP changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.